show you any iPhone to check Safari history. So this method will be work any iPhone. So simply open Safari browser, press on and click on to plus option. Then get this interface. Follow the top bar showing it to history option. Press on, showing it to history. 3 dot, okay, showing it to my all history, date and time. Okay, easily check out your all Safari history. If you want to remove, 3 dot, clear history. To clear all history today and yesterday, last hour, or close, all tap and customize anything. Press on clear history. That's it.